Parking garages are some of the toughest environments concrete ever faces. Constant vehicle traffic, heavy loads, oil and chemical spills, water intrusion, and weather exposure break down unprotected concrete fast. Over time, that leads to cracking, surface failure, corrosion, and expensive repairs. At CustomCrete Industrial Surfaces, we install high-performance concrete flooring systems designed specifically for parking structures. Our systems resist abrasion, oils, salts, moisture, and UV exposure to extend the life of your facility while improving safety and durability. Parking garage floors are not just surfaces, they're structural assets. Without proper protection, water and deicing chemicals penetrate the concrete, accelerate reinforcement corrosion, and cause premature deterioration. Oil, grease, and chemical residue also create slick conditions that increase risk for drivers and pedestrians. Our coatings are engineered to handle continuous vehicle traffic and heavy loads. They resist tire wear, impact, and surface fatigue so your parking deck performs reliably under constant use. We also protect against water intrusion and chemical exposure. Moisture control systems limit chloride penetration, reduce internal corrosion, and help prevent deep concrete damage. This protection is especially important in regions with freeze-thaw cycles and heavy salt use. Safety is a priority in every system we design. Slip-resistant finishes improve traction on ramps, curves, and wet areas to reduce the risk of slips and collisions. When the people can move through your garage with confidence, liability drops, and user experience improves. For long-term performance, we install systems built to withstand UV and weather exposure. Coatings and maintain their integrity and appearance without fading, chalking, or breaking down under environmental stress. Every parking structure is different. Traffic volume, exposure, and maintenance demands vary. We evaluate how your garage is used, what it is exposed to, and what performance you need long-term, then design the right system for the job. That may include traffic-grade epoxy, urethane cement, moisture mitigation systems, or specialized protective finishes selected for durability and service life. We also offer line striping and stall markings to improve traffic flow, increase visibility, and make better use of available space, creating a safer and more effective parking environment. If you manage a parking deck, multi-level structure, or a surface lot and need flooring built to handle traffic, weather, and chemical exposure, our team can help you choose the right solution to protect your concrete and improve safety. Parking garage flooring solutions engineered to protect your structure and your investment. Subscribe for more insights and behind-the-scenes job footage.